Hello traders, today's highlights. Cautious trading remains intact as quiet conditions prevail. However, US investors will return to the broad markets in a few hours. It's Monday, April 2nd, and here's our daily market review. Asian markets have displayed some risk appetite as they have essentially traded on their own since Friday. In early action today, the Nikkei index and Hang Seng Composite have added modest gains. Manufacturing and services data from Japan today came in slightly below estimates. However, early on Saturday, manufacturing numbers from China were improved. While the European markets will remain mainly closed for holiday, the US markets will open today. Wall Street was able to put in solid gains on Thursday, but did finish the first quarter of trading with questionable results. Broad market sentiment globally remains nervous and traders cannot be blamed for lacking conviction. The US dollar has remained within its strongest stance since last week. The euro and pound have been extremely quiet, and until full market volumes return tomorrow, investors will remain cautious in Forex. Manufacturing and services data will dominate economic statistics early this week. However, jobs numbers from the US, which will climax on Friday with the non-farm employment change figures, and the ultra-important average hourly earnings report will impact Forex. Gold has gained slightly this morning in Asian markets. The precious metal is near $13.30 US. However, thin market action should make traders view results suspiciously as low volumes continue to dominate, meaning short-term trends can reverse rapidly. The US will see important manufacturing index numbers at 2 p.m. GMT today, which could prove interesting for traders. Thank you for watching. Have a good trading day, and we'll see you again soon.